Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that GTC first broke out a big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was stuck inside in another down channel, a quite long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that in the month of Feb 2024, we broke out the resistance of the channel, but when it broke it out at the same time, there was a very big bearish divergence flashed on this chart. As you can see that the price was moving up and forming higher high. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then it was not able to do so. And in fact, it was forming a lower high than previous high. This was a very big bearish divergence, and the price then followed this signal of bearish divergence and re-entered the same channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And after these few more rejections or touch points, we have found another very long-term resistance here. You can see that we got rejection here. We got few more rejections here and two more rejections here as well. And we will also take a look at this new or newly formed resistance as well. And I would also like to show you this down channel that GTC has formed on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month, not for the current month, for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup or hook protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on that chart, you can see when I shared the signal within few moments, it will take us to the trading views chart. And here you can see that this is the trading views chart. And here you can see when I shared this signal, I shared this signal on the 20th of July, 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target. Now, and this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of GTC. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this down channel. Here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 touch points. And recently, we got again 1, 2, and 3, and 4 more touch points here at the resistance. And we have stable bounces at the support as well. Recently, you can see that the price is once again bounced very well from the support after this extreme sell-off. And this time, if the price line will be read the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 81 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.80. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line was previously moving inside this big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos. This was the falling wedge pattern. After the breakout, the price line was stuck inside this channel. Therefore, I was telling you that now we need to break out this channel in order to continue this move to the downside. But unfortunately, when we broke out the resistance and we had this short pump, at the same time, there was a very big bearish divergence was also flashed. You can see that the price line was moving to the downside and it was forming higher highs. At the same time, stochastic was forming lower high. This was a very big and obvious bearish divergence, and the price then followed this signal and could not continue its move to the outside and re-entered the same channel. And now we are again almost moved at the support of the channel. And by the way, here, after these more few touch points, we have found another resistance. Therefore, I would suggest you to wait for this very, very huge falling wedge pattern to be broken out. And this is the newly formed falling wedge pattern. See that now we have here we have the support of the falling wedge pattern. We have several touch points and bouncing from the support. And here we got the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. This time the resistance of this wedge will be here approximately at $1.30. And if the price then breaks out this wedge, then again we will need to see that if there will be not any bearish divergence or hidden bearish divergence on the chart, then we can expect that the price can continue its move to the upside. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge, once the price will be able to break it out, then we can expect a target at the top of the wedge that is approximately at $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.